Hi, I'm Ravi Prakash. I joined Be10x group recently. Before that, many other groups like Great Learning approached me to join the AI, and their cost was very high. In comparison to that, Bi10x is providing me better means learning capability in AI, and they teach me in such a way that I can use it in our general life, day to day life, very means efficiently. Thanks everyone who means providing the teaching and support to us. I'm very happy to join this course. Thanks again, and we see in future and we'll try to means like cope up with all the learning uh, journey, and will in future will make ourselves AI ready very soon. Thanks.